Cherry tomatoes with the scientific name Solinum lycopersicum var. Cerasiform is a fruit in the nightshade family. This fruit is small, round, red and contains lots of vitamin C, A and lycopene. Packaging cherry tomatoes helps preserve the product better, retaining its flavor and nutritional value. With advanced sorting technology, this machine not only helps increase productivity but also ensures the quality and uniformity of tomatoes. The machine's rapid sorting speed and high precision ensure that each tomato is handled with the same level of care and precision. Designed with advanced technology, this machine not only ensures accuracy and uniformity in the packaging process but also optimizes production efficiency. With bag packaging machines, product packaging becomes quick, effective and ensures quality. You meet production line for fruit production and packaging, especially in the process of grading and packaging apples. This equipment not only helps increase productivity but also ensures accuracy and efficiency in the fruit wrapping process. Thanks to advanced technology and flexible design, this machine can be adjusted to fit different types of apples from size to shape and weight. The exit of the red pack apple wrapper from the line not only marks the completion of the packaging process but also demonstrates the reliability and performance of this equipment in creating quality and attractive packaged products. Guide. You want to keep the freshness of fish mint for the longest time. This unique device will preserve vegetables for you, including steps from washing, arranging, classifying, packaging and sealing the product. When lettuce enters the line, it goes through pre-treatment steps such as washing and removing any residue. Then the vegetables will be sorted and classified according to size and quality. Automated machines or sensors can be used to sort vegetables effectively. The lettuce packaging line not only increases productivity but also ensures that the final product meets hygiene and quality standards, thereby ensuring your satisfaction. Asparagus is not only a vegetable but also an indispensable part of the cuisine of many. Countries around the world. Its popularity probably stems from its fresh taste along with its ease of preparation and variety of dishes. Looking at the fresh bamboo shoots on the line, you not only realize the freshness but also feel the richness and appeal of using them in dishes. Every bamboo shoot is carefully selected and arranged, ready to become an important part of every family's meal. The feeling when seeing asparagus is a stimulation for taste and creativity, but also a symbol of modernity and convenience in the cake production process. With fully automatic features, this machine helps create uniform dough balls and ensures final product quality. The automatic extrusion process saves time and labor, while enhancing production efficiency. The versatility of the machine allows it to be suitable for many different types of cakes, from bread and biscuits to cakes and sandwiches. This helps meet diverse market needs and optimize production processes. Donuts with smooth dough are not only an attractive dessert, but also a creative work of art in the culinary world. With a smooth layer of dough covering the outside, the donuts become more attractive than ever. In particular, the softness and lightness of the dough makes each piece of cake more special and enjoyable than ever. Discovering each piece of cake with its smooth layer of dough, you will feel the smoothness and blend of sweetness, fat and mild spicy taste. This is not only a culinary experience, but also a journey of discovering surprising flavors. With a delicate combination of ingredients and processing techniques, the donuts with smooth dough are iconic, of creativity and originality in the art of cooking. Looking at cheese production lines with the Vimag system, you cannot help but be impressed by the complete automation and precision in every step. Each cheese ball is created evenly and uniformly, ensuring the quality of the final product. The flexibility of the Vimag system allows the production of many different types of cheese, from soft cheese to hard cheese, from cheese bars to cheese cubes. This helps meet the diverse needs of the market and brings rich choices to consumers. Industrial production of plant-based nuggets is an important process in the plant food industry, playing an important role in providing balance to nutritious food options for consumers. The process of producing plant-based nuggets usually begins with the selection of high-quality plant ingredients, such as grains, seeds, almonds, or seeds. Then this ingredient is pureed and processed to create nuggets. Producing pizza dough is a complex but fascinating process, requiring a high level of technique and expertise to create a final product.